गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सब? टुडेज क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019? As we very well know that before Consumer Protection Act 2019, there was a act, Consumer Protection Act 1986. So why we have replaced this Consumer Protection Act 1986 with Consumer Protection Act 2019? Let us discuss some features that it is very wide in scope as compared to Consumer Protection Act 1986. First of all, it includes CCPA. What does it mean now? Central Consumer Protection Authority. Central Consumer Protection Authority is there in Consumer Protection Act 2019, but it was not available in Consumer Protection Act 1986. Secondly, in this act, a special measure has been given known as mediation. Now, it has been provided to the concerned parties that they can resolve their conflicts by mediation process. They have been given a chance to solve the case by mediation process. Third is scope. The scope of Consumer Protection Act 2019 is very wide as compared to 1986 because it includes both the transaction, offline as well as online transactions. So it has dual scope. Offline transactions plus online transaction both are having scope in Consumer Protection Act 2019. So these are the major features that have been added in Consumer Protection Act 2019 by the government and that replaced the 1986 Act. Hope so you have been clear with this topic. I will come back soon with my another topic. तब तक के लिए सत श्री अकाल, बाय बाय।